Professor Sanjay Dhir. I'm a professor in the Department of Management Studies, and I work very closely with the CEP to design and develop courses on strategic management as well as public policy. This course on advanced strategic management, we focus on solving the complex real-life problems that not only define firms, governments, but also societies. In the past 4 batches, we have been working very closely with the participants, and they have been debating, solving real-life problems, and we provide them with a ultimate techniques to actually apply the real-time conceptual framework into a practical application. We deal with cases, capstone project, and they all work on the real-life problem that actually define not only their complexity, but also balance innovation and growth, as well as the various other aspects of the strategy that helps them to leap from the middle management to the higher management in their particular roles. This course is designed to also include the strengths of IIT Delhi so that we also touch upon the real issues of AI, generative AI, innovation, and the other technological aspects that are impacting the firms and their performance. We all hope that this course will be very useful for the people who are looking to not only navigate the complex situations, but also solve the real life problems that they are facing and also lead in their organizations. Thank you.